So we just had a new car come in, 2014 ZL1 Camaro. These cars are pretty cool. They're factory supercharged and make pretty good power just the way they are. But the customer, he's already done a few things. High flow caps, headers, rotofab intake. We also did a few things a couple months back. Upper pulley, solid isolator, new plugs, new wires, new thermostat, a few things you need to do to work with the added boost, but it's still running the factory exhaust. He's wanting this car to sound like a car like this should sound, but also a unique sound, so we're doing a double X-Pipe. We've never built one of these before. There's going to be a full custom build to make all this work how we want it to, so we're pretty excited to see how it's going to turn out.
I thought the hole was too high for the hole. Alright. Getting cut tomorrow morning at 10:30.
Remember that day Jake came in here? Watch on, fresh cut. I'll hear him out for a second.
I'll humor this kid.
I did. I literally thought I'll humor him. But you did him like that.
Yeah.
I told him. He's like, I don't know if y'all look at him. I was like, well, not at the time, but you never know what could happen.
You never know what could happen in a week or two. Pop. Alright. Let's tighten all the clamps. We're about ready. We're going to tighten all the clamps by hand. So we just finished an exhaust for one of our good customers, Kevin Jenkins. He's on his way to pick it up, so we'll get to see his reaction. We did a double X-Pipe in this car, something we've never done. We just wanted to try, see what it sounded like. So we're pretty excited to see what he thinks about it.
if you can't spin it, he just asks for you, like, if they...
Yeah! Only thing you probably know is 50 on the floor. That's that. Two fully custom exhausts, two totally different cars, totally different sounds. Overall, I think they turned out pretty good. I think the G37 was a little bit loud, so we'll see what happens with that. But after all this exhaust work, I am exhausted, so I'm gonna call it a day.